Hello, my name is Audrey Reinhardt. I'm a student lead here in the Robotics Lab. We're open 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Arduino. We're going to start in prototyping using Tinkercad. In the right-hand corner, click on My Designs, go to Create, and click on Circuits. This will take you to a circuit workplace. From here, you can pull out the breadboard and the Arduino that we'll be using for this design. Place the Arduino on the left-hand side and the breadboard on the right-hand side. We're going to be making a blinking LED, so pull out the LED and make sure to take note on which is the long end. This is going to be your positive or anode. We're going to connect the ground to the ground on the breadboard, the negative port. We can change the color of the wire in the upper right-hand place. We're going to change it to black to represent ground. We're going to connect the resistor from the negative port that we just connected to and connect that to the shorter end of the LED light. We're going to set it to 1 ohm, so change the kilo ohm to just ohm, just to see how it works. Then we're going to click and place another wire to connect the long end to pin 9 on the Arduino. We're going to change this color to green for a bit more color coding. Then we're going to go to code, change it from blocks to text. Go ahead and hit confirm. And then from here, we have our workplace that we can type up our code. We're going to set a variable for the pin that the LED is connected to. And since that's pin 9, we set int LED 9. We're going to change the pin mode of the LED to an output. And then the code that's already here is doing a blinking LED on the built-in LED, so we just have to modify this code to be the LED pin that we used. That first line sets the pin to high, which is going to turn it on. The next line pauses for 1 second, 1,000 milliseconds, and the next line turns it off. We're going to change the pause from 1 second to half a second, which is 500 milliseconds, and then start the simulation. You'll notice that red box is an error. We got to take note of any errors like this because that can damage the board. That's one of the benefits of prototyping before actually making the circuit. We're going to change the resistance value to see if this helps. We're going to change it from 1 ohm to 300 ohms. After that, we can start the simulation again. Notice there is no more error and the LED is blinking properly. We can now change the name to blinking LED so that it's easier for future reference to access. After that, we're done prototyping and we can move on to creating the real circuit. From here, you're going to want to gather all of your parts. We have the breadboard, Arduino, LED, resistor, and wires. Connect the LED, taking note of the long end and the short end. We're going to do the same thing and connect the ground on the Arduino to the ground on the breadboard. From here, we're going to connect the resistor to the short end of the LED to the ground on the breadboard. Then we're going to connect the long leg of the LED to pin 9 on the Arduino. And then plug in the wire designated for the Arduino so that it is ready to connect to your computer. From here, the circuit is built and you're ready to go. Now we're going to move on to uploading the code. We're going to navigate to the Arduino IDE, click on the folder, and create a new sketch. I'm already in a new sketch, so I'm going to edit it here. Then navigate back to Tinkercad and copy and paste the code that you typed up. Paste that into the Arduino IDE. Click on the box that says Arduino and see what ports are open. This is before plugging in your Arduino. Next, plug in your Arduino to the computer and notice the new port. This is going to be the Arduino that you connected to. Go ahead and hit verify to make sure there are no errors with your code. Then you can upload the code to your Arduino. After it is done uploading, you can check your Arduino to see if it's working. Here's a demonstration of how it will look when it's working.